81% of data breaches are caused by weak or stolen passwords. And yet, most IT teams are still sharing credentials over WhatsApp or a shared spreadsheet. If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. We are going to compare 4 of the top password managers built for IT teams. You will know exactly which one fits your environment, your budget, and your security requirements. No fluff, just a straight comparison you can act on today. Let's talk about why this matters before we get into the tools. In an IT team, you do not just manage your own passwords. You manage shared service accounts, root credentials, cloud console logins, firewall admin panels. If one person leaves the company, and they took the password with them, you have a serious problem. This is called credential sprawl, and it is one of the most overlooked risks in small IT teams and MSPs across South Africa. A password manager built for teams solves 3 things. 1. Centralized storage. Everyone accesses credentials from one secure vault. No more spreadsheets. 2. Access control. You decide who sees what. Your junior technician does not need the domain admin password. 3. Audit trails. You can see who accessed which credential and when. That is gold during an incident. Now, not all password managers are built the same. Consumer tools like Google Password Manager or iCloud Keychain are fine for personal use, but they were not designed for team environments. We need tools with admin consoles, role-based access, and enterprise integrations. So let us look at the 4 contenders. Step 1. Meet the 4 tools. We are comparing Bitwarden, 1Password, Keeper, and NordPass for teams. Each one has a free or trial option, so you can test before you commit. Step 2. Bitwarden. Bitwarden is open source. That means anyone can audit the code. For security-conscious teams, that transparency matters. The free tier covers individual use. The team's plan costs around $3 per user per month. That is one of the cheapest options at enterprise level. Key features for IT teams. Self-hosting option. You can run it on your own server, admin console with collections, group credentials by client or department, command line interface. Useful for automation and scripts. SIM provisioning for Active Directory integration. The UI is not the prettiest, but it is functional and secure. If you are on a tight budget or you want full control, Bitwarden is the top pick. Step 3. 1Password. 1Password is the premium option. It costs around $4 to $5 per user per month.